Hello, everybody. This is Andrew Bear, and I wanted to share with you guys what I've been working on in Tynker. Now, for those of you who don't know, Tynker is a platform where you can learn to code, which is very exciting. I've never coded before until working with this platform, so I'm very excited to share with you guys what I've been working on. So let me go to my projects, and I could create a new project, or I can continue editing a project I've been working on. So let's continue editing this. So here we are, we're in the coding platform. Now I know it's a lot to look at first, but Tynker makes it very user-friendly, and you get comfortable working in here very quickly. So let me break down what we got here. On our left, we have all the coding options. So these are the different things you can tell the computer to do. In the middle, we have the code itself. This is the heart of the program. And then we have a display of what that program is off to the right here. Let me play for you what I've created. So there we are. We have a nice ball just bouncing right up and down. Now, in order to make this, I had to do a couple things. I had to create the character or create the individual drawings for this animation. After I had those, I had to tell the computer what to do with those. So let's start with the drawings. So let me go here to Actor, and we'll go to Edit. Now this is Tynker's drawing platform. It's very user-friendly, but this is where you would create your characters. Now for this ball, I created several drawings that link together in a row, which is how you create an animation. You create one drawing, and then you go and you create the next one, and the next one, each drawing being slightly different, and then when you loop those together, it creates that sense of motion. So in order to create a drawing, I can go here, I can select a pencil tool, medium size, I'll just go with a black color, and I could create any kind of shape I wanted to. From there, I could pick a color and fill that in with the paint bucket tool. Now, I won't use this drawing, excuse me, but I could also reshape that, which comes in handy when you're animating. So those are some options you have for animating. I'll go ahead and get rid of that. And these are all the drawings I've created and linked together. So once I have those drawings, let's go back to the programming. Once I have those drawings, I have to tell the computer what to do with those drawings, which is where the fun really begins, where the programming starts. So here's my small program I have here. And I'll create one just next to it so you can see how that process works. The first thing you have to do is tell the computer how to begin the program. And for that, we'll go to Events, and then we'll hit On Start, which simply means that when I press the play button, the event here will begin. From there, I need to tell the computer for how long it will go for, and I'll go down to Control, Loops, and I'll just hit Forever. So that means it will just continue jumping up and down until I tell it to stop. From there, I need to tell it what to do with all those drawings. So I'll go down to Looks with this character icon. I'll go to Next Costume, which is this one here. Now, when we say Next Costume, what we really mean is next drawing. So it's that first drawing linked up to the next one, linked up to the next one, and it'll just work its way through all those drawings I created. And then from there, I'm going to tell the computer how long to wait in between each drawing. So I'll scroll down. And then wait 1 second, which is what it's set to. Now, if I set it to 1 second, we'll see what happens here. That's 1 second in between each drawing, which really slows the animation down, and we lose that sense of liveness. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click 0.05 seconds, which speeds up this animation. That means there's only 0.05 seconds in between each drawing, and that's going to give us a much more lifelike sense of animation. So we'll stop. I'll get rid of this sample program here. And then the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a background for it. So if I go to stages, I can hit settings. And from here, Tynker has a lot of wonderfully pre-made options. So they have some pre-made sounds. They also have pre-made backgrounds. So let's go to add background. I'm going to hit city streets because I like that. And there we go. I've got a background for my animation to sit in. I can press play. There's 0.05 seconds in between each drawing, and we have it jumping up and down nicely there. So that's just a quick run through of one of the things you can do with Tynker. There's a lot of other options on here, but I encourage you to check out this site and try coding for yourself. Thanks for watching.